I'm Stephanie Garrett, and welcome to Studio Sessions, a behind-the-scenes look at the day in the life of a crafter, creator, artist, and performer. So in this series, it's going to be called Studio Sessions, and it's a behind-the-scenes look at the day in the life of a crafter, creator, artist, and, all around, creative person. So, yeah, this is my studio, and you'll be seeing me do a variety of different things in this space. It's not very organized right now, but hopefully it will be. And this is going to be more vlog-type content, so I maybe will show you how I package some of my Etsy sales or some of my, online sales from my different shops or my website sales. And you may see, me organizing things, although I'm not very organized. I have to say that. I am trying though. You'll see me set up my video shoots and things like that. So I will do these periodically just to give you a little taste of a behind the scenes look into my world here. So I need to go and put dinner on and charge up my camera and, try to get some stuff done because I got to go pick up my son here in a little bit. So I just wanted to get started on these videos because, I think that sometimes when we do YouTube videos, oh, I know I have a glare. Sorry. Stupid glare from my lights. I need some more no studio lights, by the way. I'm going to have to order some. And when I do, I'm definitely going to show you guys. I have one. I had two. I know I'm getting off track. But I had two, and one of them broke. So I'm down to one light. Luckily, I got a little daylight and my other little lights here. So that's what I'm working with right now, okay? But as I was saying, oh my God, I lost my train of thought. Yeah, I need to really get started on doing some... What do I need to do? God, I have a whole list of stuff I want to do. I need to really start doing more mixed media tutorials because I love mixed media. I love the layering of everything. I love all that stuff. I have some new embellishments that came in. I want to show you guys that stuff. I actually like doing hauls, I think a lot of people, they get tired of hauls. They're like, oh, everybody's getting the same thing. But here's the deal. That's the only time that I get to see what everybody's getting, because otherwise I wouldn't know what's in the stores. I'm looking at why am I looking at that? I should be looking at y'all. That's the only time I get to see, what's in the stores. Like if you guys go to a Tuesday morning or a Target or whatever, I'm like, oh, well, let me go see if I can find that. Sometimes I get lucky and sometimes I don't, and that's cool. So that's the whole point of doing haul videos. I like just sharing, what I get with you guys, and maybe you can go out and find it and make something really cool out of it. So yeah, my camera's getting ready to die, and when we come back, I will be doing something different. I gotta go put dinner on and do that, and then I'm gonna try to come back and film some more, all right? So I will see you after this. So I'm filming with my GoPro Hero 4, and I'm looking to get some new camera equipment here in the new year. That's on the list of, things to get, things to do. I'm looking at a Nikon DSLR, I think 5600. I mean, I know they have other styles and brands, but that seems to be in my price range, and it seems to be good for videos and things like that. So I saw a nice bundle on Amazon, and once I get the money together, I will probably be getting that. I would love to get, I think it's a Nikon, I think it's 5700, I think, but that one's like over $1,000. So that's expensive. Anyway, I'm going to just, work with what I have. Like we do in crafting, you just work with what you have. That's all you can do. I mean, what else you going to do? We can't afford all this fancy stuff. At least I can't. Well, you know what? Somebody says, well, girl, if you stop hauling, maybe you could. Maybe. And you know what? I'm going to have to discuss that in a future video here on Studio Session. My hauls may be coming to a slow and steady halt for a while because I'm getting back into my acting career. And that's going to be requiring me to pay for the sites that I need to be on, upload photos. I need to get new headshots. I need to pay for classes. Like there's a whole deal behind that. So I won't be able to, to haul as much. I already discussed it with my husband, and he thinks it's a good idea. So, I mean, I got plenty of stuff in this room that I can make and do a bunch of tutorials and, craft with me's and project shares and things like that. So, you know, I may just be able to get just a little bit of stuff here and then a little bit of stuff there, you know. So that's why I'm trying to get a bunch of stuff now. And of course, as soon as I see somebody's haul video, and I'm gonna want to run out and get it. And I'm not gonna be able to get it. I'm like, oh, I had to get new headshots this month. So, and I have my eyeballs on a couple of acting classes here in Los Angeles that I am looking to, some really big acting teachers. Yeah, so that's not going to be till probably later in the summer, because I am going to have my next knee surgery for my right knee. I'll be discussing that as we get close to that, but that's coming up in a few months. So I'm just going to, you know, work like the Dickens and do what I got to do and, you know, make it work. That's it. Definitely make sure that you're a subscriber to my channel, Stephanie Garrett Creative. Hit that notification bell, which is on that side, or that side, I think, by the time you see this video. It's over by the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when the videos come, you know, are uploaded. And definitely follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I am Stephanie Garrett on all social media platforms, all right? So I look forward to you joining me on my new series, Studio Sessions, all right? I'll see you then. Ciao.